Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Tailwind CSS. We have this React project. I just created this React project using npx create react app command. And now let's know how to install the Tailwind CSS. So first of all, we will go to the official site of Tailwind CSS. So this is the official site of Tailwind CSS. Click on get start. So we have to select this framework guides. So we are using the React, so we will choose this particular option. So this particular command I already run. I have created my project. Now I have to install Tailwind CSS. I have to copy this particular command. I will fast forward this particular installation process. Now this package has been installed. We have installed the auto prefixer, post CSS and the Tailwind CSS. Now move to the next command. Copy this particular command and paste it and run. This command will create the config file for the Tailwind CSS. Here you see it have created two files, post CSS config.js and then tailwind config.js file. These files has been created. We have to copy this particular part and we have to paste it in tailwind config.js file. So I will go here. I have pasted the content here. Next part is like in index.css file we have to paste this particular thing. We will copy this one and we will paste it in index.css file of our project. Let me go into the source folder. In that we have this index.css file. I will remove, then I will paste this one. So now Tailwind CSS we have installed and we have configured as well. Now we can start our project and see the changes. We can start our project using npm start. Now project is starting. Here we see this is the React basic project. Now I will change the CSS or content and I will show you the effect of Tailwind CSS. So as per the official documentation, we can copy this one and this paste hello world in app.js file, js file or tsx file. We have this app.tsx file. Now what I will do, I will just remove this particular existing code, this one. Okay, so we have hello world, and in for that one we have used text size 3xl and bold, and it should be underlined. So whatever class we have given here, effect of those class should be appear on. I have just shared. It will take some time for compilation. Project has been compiled. Now let's go here and check the changes. Let me refresh this one. So here you see like we have hello world with underline. So it's mean like our Tailwind CSS is working perfectly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.